Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's new AI gaming laptop series, the G6X and G6 and G5. So friend, Gigabyte has launched the latest AI gaming laptops G6X, G6 and G5 featuring up to 13th generation Intel Core HX series processor and NVIDIA RTX 40 laptop GPUs. All three models, the highest configuration, come equipped with Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 laptop GPU delivering robust AI generative content computing power. So friend, the G6X featuring an Intel Core i9-13650HS processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU excels at running diverse gaming titles and professional applications for creative content creation, and it offers a quicker computing experience for AI generative content creation, enabling a real-time and seamless realization of creative content. And the laptop integrates with Microsoft AI Assistant, Copilot, and assisting users. In the laptops, the smooth 144Hz high refresh rate gaming display eliminates motion blur and tearing, enhancing light kill rate. Equipped with DDR5 dual channel memory and PCIe Gen 4 dual SSD slot, offering flexible upgrade option and boasting up to 10 comprehensive I/O ports, along with the Gigabyte reinforced cooling system. The laptop weighs 2.08 kg, providing gamers with an excellent gaming experience with low entry barriers. Users can enjoy the convenience and competitiveness brought by generative AI. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.